All right, good evening, everybody. I hope you had a good week ahead in school, right? And I hope that, your teachers have already collected all your papers last week. I'm so sure last week very busy, right? Teachers collecting all the exam, all the homework, etc. All right, so different schools, they are doing different things. So for ATA tuition, today we'll be covering some of the things that maybe your school are also still doing. If your school isn't doing these things, it's okay. So you either learn something new or you look at it as revision. All right, so let's move on. I need you to switch on, as I mentioned last week, right? I need to switch on, everybody switch on, unless your camera is broken. Some people say, teacher, my camera is broken. Okay, can understand your camera is broken. Okay, fine. What can I say, right? What can I do? So if it's broken and you can't, not broken, but somehow there's some problem. All right. So okay, you explain to me why. Okay, because it is not me that want you to switch it on. It is the ATA mission policy, the company's policy, basically, right? They have their own reasons why they want that. They want you to switch on your camera. All right. Mainly because we want it to be something like a classroom, right? Classroom, you see me, I see you. It's just that now you are at the comfort of your own home, your own room. Some of you maybe drinking Milo, right? The kind of thing as you are studying. So it's a different thing, right? Different from classroom. So yeah, I think it's more of that. All right. So yeah, let's get going. Please go to learn and attempt lesson 25. I hope you've done it. But some students may not have done it well because of some reasons, sure. And then some students have done it. Okay, so if you've done it, that's great. If you're not, hold on, I'll take my pen. If you've not done it well, we will go through, right? If you've done it, we'll go through. But if you've not done it, then you can try. You can also try, right? You write on a piece of paper if you've not done it. But if you've done it, that's great. Then we can go through together. Okay. And then for some of you, you have your answers and your answers are correct, right? Some students they get a lot of correct answers. So that's great. So you just be patient and listen in. Okay, Ken? So let's do this now. Questions 1 to 5, vocabulary MCQs. These are things we're going to cover now. Vocab is very important. I think you are in by now you should know what's the format like, okay, for your exam paper or your test papers. Some schools, they don't give full test papers like paper 2, right? So usually paper 2 is upon 95, just to tell you this, because you're looking at exam. So paper 2 usually is exam. Oh, Rachel is here already. Okay, let me just write down. Y'all don't go first later. Maybe maybe 5 or 10 minutes before we end, I will just run through the attendance again. Hi, Rachel. Okay, so basically just to tell you, paper 2 is 95 marks, all right? 28 marks is the section A. Section A is choices A, B, C, D, right? The grammar components. You also have vocabulary in section A, and you also have visual text in section A. All right. Vocabulary in section A, there are 10 marks. Okay, 5 marks. 5 marks. I think number 11 to number 15, right? Is different types of questions for the vocab. Number 16 to 20, right? They give you a text, all right? They give you one text, and that particular text, right? You have different vocabulary to change those words to, okay? But it's actually 10 marks for section 1, for the first section, all right? Section A. The next one is grammar cloze. Grammar cloze is confirmed to have, grammar cloze is section B. Grammar cloze is section B, okay? It is 10 marks. I know because I teach these components, right? And then you have synthesis and transformation. It is 10 marks, 2 marks each, all right? Synthesis and transformation, there's a lot to learn, a lot of rules. So today we are going to touch on the rules that are not so dense, all right? Later on, we'll do the ones with a lot of rules, okay, later on. All right, so the instruction says for you all to have done the question, answer all the questions, right? You type all the questions in the given spaces. Okay, so if you're doing online, then that's great. If you go online, but then some people, right, they go online, but they like to take the worksheets. So they print their worksheets and then they do on the worksheets. Also okay, also fine. Yeah, you can do whichever way that suits you. all right, that you find the best and comfortable for you. Okay, guys, 88 house rules. It is compulsory to turn on video and mute your microphone. This is coming from the company, right? Please use the chat function if you like to do any of the following: ask question, answer question, share feedback. If there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself for speaking. If you need to go for a toilet break, right, please just inform me. I'll let you go. Don't worry, you can go. And then you just return ASAP, okay? Be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class, all right? Okay, all right, let's move on. Vocabulary MCQs. Okay, so let me bring us down. Okay, I'll bring us down now because you know why? It's covering some parts of the question. Okay, remind me, just bring it down. All right. After appearing in countless commercials, what's a commercial? Commercials are actually advertisements. Okay, Ken? These are advertisements. Hold on, let me just check with you. Hello, guys. Check. Okay, Ken. Everybody's on board. Great. A commercials for over 20 years. She is now what name all over West Asia? What we can do is you can fit in family name all over West Asia. Is it household name all over Asia? Wholesome means well, healthy or having character. Or basic name. What do you think? Okay, got some check here. B, household name. Okay, household name. Huh? What do you say is household name? Why is it household? Why do you say household? Anyone want to explain that? Because everybody knows about this person. Yes. Okay, let's check it out. Right? Wait, yes, you are right. It's household name. Meaning everybody knows this person, right? Like literally everybody knows this person. All right? Grandmother, mother, father, etc. Everybody knows this person because he's that popular. Okay, we go on to the next one. See, I need to bring us down. I'm sorry. Okay, what's the meaning? Can you write down the meanings? If let's say you have printed it out. If you haven't printed it out, it's okay, no problem. You take your book, all right, your exercise book. P5 already, no. Let's say P6. You are left with 1 year plus left to go, all right, before your PSLE. So you can write in your book, all right, exercise book, all the difficult words that you don't know, okay? Then you can refer to them before your test, for your exam. How about that, right? Intermission means pause or break. Hold on, somebody is texting me. Wait, check. Oh, you're giving me answers, not yet. Okay, you can. Intermission means pause or break, write down. Intersection means a place where two or more roads join or cross together. So meaning an intersection can be intersection points. All right. Maybe there are two roads like that. Hey, where's my face? What happened to my face? Wait. That's very strange. Start video. Yeah. Okay. I accident. So it's like that. Okay. So this can be an intersection. All right. Can you see? Intersection like that. Okay. Now, a place where two or more roads join to cross each other. Right? I think you've seen this. Interchange is not we're not looking at bus interchange, right? We're looking at interchanging, right? Two or more people exchange goods with one another, exchange, mainly goods. And then break. I know you know what the meaning of break is. There will be a 20-minute before the second part of the movie. First part of the movie, then second part of the movie. So movie is something that is quite formal. So break time is different, right? From intermission. So your answer would be, wait, I don't know why. Intermission is your answer. Break is informal, guys. Like for example, we're talking about you having your break time, right? In school, you have break time, right? So that's the break time. But this is another kind of setting, right? So it is intermission. Are you all right? You've got audience there. Okay? So you need to use intermission instead. Okay, I move. Are you okay with that? Am I going too fast? You okay? Can, Somebody saying something? Chat. I did not copy. Oh, I see. Okay, sure. No problem. Can I go up? Wait, Sure. Sorry about that. Okay, Can. We wait for each other. It's fine. When you are done, you just say, okay, teacher. Right? So this is the meaning for intersection. Intermission, as I mentioned to you just now, we use it in a more formal setting. Formal. right? Take a break will be more informal setting. Intermission is more of a formal setting. That's why we use this word. All right. So we just wait. When you have finished copying, you just copy quickly, okay? Yeah, because many people are waiting, huh? All right, thank you very much. Wait, okay, done. All right, thank you. Doesn't matter, nobody will know who you are. Okay, I don't reveal names, not to worry. Okay, next we go on. Okay, next one. The teacher what a different task to each of the children. What's the meaning of pitch? When you pitch, oh, I don't know. Why is it like this? Why is my face not there? I start video. Okay, sorry. So when you pitch something, right, it means that you are setting someone in a competition. So when the coach, right, pitches you and your other friend, all right, example for training, right, he or she wants you to compete, so you can use the word pitch. Okay, so pitch is to set someone in competition. Assign is to allocate. What's the meaning of allocate? It means give. I assign you to do something. Okay, so to give you to do something, to give you a task, for example. Okay, appointed. Appointed is more of a job or a role. For example, you are appointed as a class chairman. Okay, you are appointed as the class leader or the English representative in class, example. So that's the meaning of appointed. Next is cast. Now, cast has many meanings. If you check the online dictionary, it has a list of meanings, So cast is really depending on the context, okay? So in this context, you can say cast a spell, right? The witch cast a spell on the people of that nation and everyone went to sleep, for example. So that's cast. Another cast is you take the fishing net, N-E-T, and you cast it over an area in the water or in the river or in the sea. That's another cast. So there's a list of meanings there. So I just give you one meaning only, okay? I just put on here cast, cause to take effect, means example to cast a spell. What do you think is the answer? Pitch, or assign, or appointed, or cast. Anyone want to try? Oh, somebody. B. Okay, B. Okay, let's check it out. Wait, sorry. It's my fault. I know I can. Okay, sorry. Yes, assign, correct, good. Assign a different task to each of the children. Good. Okay, I move on. Oh, somebody texting me. They're not finished copying? Yes, correct. Good. Yes, your answers are correct. This is your answer. Okay, I go on to the next one. Yes. Movies. Eh? Yeah. Correct, right? Yeah. Okay. Movies what into different ratings? Movies. Tell me movies. There's a typo there. Into different ratings to show how suitable they are for different audiences. So another word for specify, the meaning is identified clearly. When you specify, means that you identify clearly. Sorry, I don't know why. I keep on Okay, next. Specified means identified clearly. Allocated means distributed, because past tense, distributed resources or duties, right? Classified is to arrange in different categories. Okay, register. You know what's register, right? Example, I think you know what register means. That's why I didn't write down here. So register, example, you want to go for, you want to apply for a tuition class, example, enrichment course, right? You need to register first. I think you know, right? What's the meaning of register? Some registrations are free. Some registrations you need to pay. So it really depends, right? To register. I think you would know that. Actually, I think it's movies. One thing is wrong here. Okay? It's typo. Mine is just typo. Okay, movies are. So what is your answer? Different ratings, Okay, just check. Some people say C. C. Classified, is it? Movies are classified into different ratings. Is that your answer? Quite a number of you put C. There are many of you. In fact, I think most of you. Come, let's check out the answers now. Yes, you are right. Movies are correct. Very good, guys. Good job. Classified. Okay. We move on to the next one. Am I going too fast? I hope not. If I'm going too fast, please tell me, okay? somehow, if I get out,